Hello, brother. This is Gary from Brother Automation. Today we are going to pack some machines in wooden box, and we are shipped to India. Okay. This is also almost our last shipment before Chinese New Year. You know, from next week, China will start holiday, and around 15 days, end of February, we will come back to work again. Okay. Look back to 2025. We have to appreciate our respected customers. Because of you, Brother Automation still survive in the competitive market. Our turnover increasing every year. Okay, except the China market, Brother Automation machines have exported to more than 30 countries around the world market. Okay, more and more customers are choose us as their supplier. Okay, in the coming year 2026, Brother Automation will continue research and developing the new machines with the latest technology, okay, and continue provide good service, good training to our customer. You know, many customers come to our factory, accept the machine training before shipping. Okay, we will continue to do this. Okay, now I show you the machine details. Okay. This shipment total have 5 sorting machines, okay, 2 for USB-A and 2 for Type-C focal and 1 for Type-C Favco, okay. Total have 5 sorting machines, okay. Except the machines, we also have prepared some cable wire samples for our customers, okay. This is all the nylon braided cable wires, nylon braided cable wire, okay. And also the testing machine. This testing machine is focused on the C2C, like 100 watt, 120 watt, and 240 watt. Okay, focus on C2C PD cables. Okay, except this one, we also prepare the mantle housing. Like this kind of mantle housing is also for the data cables. Like this mantle housing, each month we have to ship almost 1 million sites to Indian market. Okay, also. We are also make the mold for our customers. This is the SR mold, big one. Okay. Okay. Right. Except this is the wire cutting and stripping machines, cable bending and bending machines. Okay, like this, all shipped to India. Okay. Okay, brother. Thanks again for your support in the 2025. 2026 we continue working together, okay, and grow up together, okay. Thank you.